Join the movement. Go all electric with Pure Electric.
Well, hi there, and welcome to my mum's tiny house tour. Mum's here visiting the land with her tiny house that she designed herself, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the cool features that it has to offer. So I thought we'd start this tour off outside and show how we collect rainwater off the roof. And this is a real advantage that tiny houses have over caravans. It's a lot harder to have a sloped roof and harvest rainwater from a caravan. And so as we come down the slope, we've got a guttering system up here, which then runs down the pipe into this external 225 litre water tank. And so once we have this external tank full, we transfer the water inside the tiny house with a transfer pump. And so this tank is 225 litres in capacity, and the water tank inside the tiny house is 75 litres in capacity. So all in all, we have 300 litres of water storage that we can use at any given moment. And now, something that I bet you guys can't help but to notice is the walls. This looks like a pretty awesome job done with some Venetian plaster. I just really love the feel of this plaster. It feels a little bit like glass, but smoother and softer.
It's about 7 layers, layer by layer, and then when you're polishing the whole structure and the whole layers will appear and you see different colors.
Another notable feature about this tiny house is that at night it completely transforms into a dazzling light display using energy efficient LED lighting. Let's go ahead and take a tour. I think the hammock is Sarah's official favourite spot in this tiny house. This is some ultimate relaxation.
Very relaxing, and I love the cool breeze from the cross ventilation.
Which comes through this door here and exits out these massive windows here, or it can go on through to the back and create a cross breeze that way. Or I imagine on a windy day, the wind may come in from all three directions and create a tornado of relaxation around you.
Definitely. Nothing more relaxing than a tornado.
And now, let's take a look at the bathroom.
Welcome through. One of my favourite features is the shower. I love the shower curtain. And as you all know, we have an outdoor shower at the moment, so this is like luxury.
5 stars.
Hot water on tap. How nice. And there's even a water filter on this shower, so you can actually drink this water that comes through. Another really cool feature about this shower is the water that's used goes into the grey water tank, which is then used to flush the toilet over here.
So into the drain the water goes, and then is pumped into the toilet. And I saw that we have a yacht toilet in this tiny house, which is a quite unique feature for a tiny house. So let's take a look at how this works.
I don't like dry toilets. I feel like water is better and it keeps it clean. So you can pump water in if it's open, or when you travel, close the tap and then you lock it. First you can pump the leftovers of water, and water is coming from grey water tank. So that's it. The toilet is ready for travel.
And now let's take a look at where the black water goes from the toilet as part of the zero waste sustainable system. And so now we're back outside for this one, and we're at the final point in our journey. We followed the water all the way through the house, and now we get to see where our rainwater ends up at its final spot. So from the toilet we went, all of the black water goes into...
This is the most craziest part of tiny house, because it's not hot water system like everybody thinks. It's a worm farm. So I travel with my worms.
A portable vermicomposting toilet.
Yeah. So, and because amount of water is not big enough, so it's possible with reducing amount of water, make all water to evaporate. And whatever you have kitchen scrap, you put it to treat the worms like dessert. They're hard-working worms.
A nice tasty snack for the worms.
And so the water goes in here, along with the biomass and the compost. And the worms are going nom 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 nom. Worm tea, yum yum, into the evapotranspiration bed.
This grass is awesome.